It's your boy Charlie V. Asset Police badge number 824. Where them credit scores, deeds, LLCs, titles, investment portfolios, where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Well, today I want to touch on earned income versus passive income. I hear a lot of people say they want to be rich. There's nothing wrong with being rich, but just know rich has a limit. It is capped. You know, being rich, you can go broke being rich. Your mindset should be, I want to be wealthy. Now, being rich is totally different than being wealthy. Being rich, you're basically trading time for money. Being wealthy, you're trading money for time. Being rich takes time. Being rich, it takes a lot on you. Being wealthy and creating things to be wealthy and getting that passive income will allow you to have financial freedom, if that makes sense. You ever heard of the term, and I said this a few times, you want to make money while you sleep. You want to make money while you're on vacation. You want to make money when you're making an asset police video, badge number 824. That's being wealthy, right? Is when you don't have to worry. You can wake up at whatever time you want. You can do whatever the hell you want. You don't have a boss. That's being wealthy because you know you have put things in place to make you wealthy and to create that passive income. You want passive income over earned income. Even though earned income, you're gonna need earned income and eventually get to the passive. So change your mindset. Badge number 824, asset police in the building. You hear? Just dropping gems. Peace.